Here we have an ENCO 13 by 40 inch bench lathe package. This includes a Accurite 2-axis view digital readout system, and also includes cabinet stands, which is the base, and the chip pan. It's unused. It's in good running condition. Has some cosmetic issues. We'll show you that in a moment. But most of all, it does runs very nice. Here's your manual control right here. Okay, we'll go up to the digital readout here, and then we'll zero out. Okay, enter. Alright, so we're zeroed out on that, and what we'll do is go down here. We'll go forward, reverse, the longitudinal feed right here. With your cross feed. We'll go in the opposite direction. So we checked all the speeds. All the speeds operate correctly here, as well as your threading dials and your threading speeds. Everything's nice and tight on the machine. It's in really good condition, like we said. Also includes some tools. And there's a tool post holder here. It's got a 4-way tool post. Okay, there's your adapter plate. You got some metric change gears. Get your hardware for the cabinets. It's got a work light, tailstock, so mechanically it's in really good condition. It does have some cosmetic dings and dents here. It's got a fiberglass cover here. It took a hit right here. Got some scratches over here, some paint scratches on this backsplash. You see right here the weld broke. Nothing major there. Okay. Also your chip pan has a dent in it right here. I'll be able to straighten that out. Also includes a 4-jaw chuck. Your backing plate right here. Like I said, overall it's in really good mechanical condition. And we thank you for looking at our product.